Hi there, students. A hearse. A hearse. Well, nowadays a hearse is a car or a vehicle that is used to carry the coffin or the body of a deceased person, somebody dead, at a funeral or at a wake or a memorial service. Originally, the hearse was drawn by horses because hearses have been around for quite a long time, and the hearse is the vehicle that takes the body to the funeral. It's part of the funeral procession. And in the past, a hearse would have been drawn by various different horses, and it was very often heavily decorated as well. And this is a hearse. So a hearse is the vehicle used to carry a body in a coffin to a funeral. It's a very specific thing. Yeah, it's normally a big long vehicle, particularly a big long car, which is used to convey dead people to where their body is actually going to be buried. Okay, so a hearse, the coffin was carried and put into the waiting hearse. Hearses are normally cars that last quite a long time because people don't drive hearses all over the place and at high speed. So a hearse as a vehicle is very often something that lasts for a very long time. Now, originally the hearse, or the derivation of it, came from the French hearse, and this was a wooden or a metal framework that was over the coffin, that stood over the coffin or over the bier, the coffin table, to support the pall. The pall is a cloth that used to go over the coffin, and this hearse would have spaces for various different candles, but that then was developed into the vehicle in which the dead body was carried. It could be drawn by hand. I believe there are even such a thing as motorcycle hearses, where you have the motorcycle and the coffin goes in the hearse, which is beside it, but that's quite unusual. So a hearse, the vehicle which is used to take the body of a dead person to the funeral or to the grave. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A hearse.